Risotto with bok choy and cherry tomatoes, very easy to make. Dr. John A. Allocca. November 22, 25. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. Ingredients. Use organic ingredients where possible. 3 cups bok choy, washed and chopped into small pieces. 1 10-ounce package of cherry tomatoes, cut in half. 1 tablespoon salted butter. Half a cup extra virgin olive oil, plus half a cup after cooking. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1/4 teaspoon Celtic sea salt, optional. 1 bunch of fresh basil, chopped. 2 cups Arborio rice. 5 plus 1½ cups filtered water. In a 6-quart pot, add the bok choy, butter, olive oil, basil, oregano, and Celtic sea salt. Cook for 10 minutes at medium heat, stirring occasionally. Add the tomatoes and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Crush the tomatoes with a nylon potato masher. Add the rice and cook for another 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add 5 cups of water. Lower the heat, cover and simmer for 30 minutes. After it is cooked, add 1½ cups of water and half a cup or more of olive oil. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on essential health, a journey to total mind-body wellness.